Another flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for Warren County and east central New York. This includes the cities of Warrensburg, Lake George Village, Glens Falls, Washington County, and east central New York. This includes the cities of Whitehall, Salem, Hudson Falls, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:02 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated 2 to 4 inches of rain has fallen in this area. Rain continues to fall very heavily at times, at rates approaching an inch per hour. This heavy rainfall can lead to rapid rises in water on roadways and streams. An additional 2 to 3 inches of rain can be expected before the rain begins tapering later this afternoon. After that, runoff from the heavy rain will continue. Locations in the warning include, but they're not limited to Scorootman Public Campground, Eagle Point Campground, Chestertown, North Creek, Johnsburg, Hewlett's Landing, and Hague. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway.
Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Now the official National Weather Service forecast for the Champlain Valley.
Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Flood waters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US nationalweatherservice.albany.gov. Flood watch.